This is Mirage Sleeper. Welcome back to Sleeper Build Garage. Today we're gonna start with doing our Brembo brake upgrade on the Legnum, our 1997 Legnum. If you're new to the channel, and also thanks to a lot of you guys coming into the channel and getting some subscribers in. I really appreciate your time, and this is new for me, so I really appreciate your patience and your support. But anyways, let's get into it. We're gonna go ahead and put the Brembo brakes on this thing and get us some stopping power. So that's gonna be our goal for this video. So let's go inside and let you guys see what I've gotten so far. Put my gloves on. I'm gonna start with, let me put these bolts in here. I forgot I have a bunch of these brackets, actually two sets of these. So it makes life easier. All right. Let's see if she's all happy, guys. Oh yeah, perfect. Perfect. Okay. All right. There you have it. Yeah, I grinded a little. All right, from this point right here, the audio got ruined during upload, so I figured I'd just go ahead and just talk you guys through it for the most part. Here I just went ahead and did a bunch of grinding to fit the brackets for the calipers on, and we have to start getting it prepped for cleaning and paint. And then once that part is done, we'll go ahead and start mounting it up to the car itself. All right, here in this section here, we're going to go ahead and start removing the caliper, set it to the side, then take off the rotor to start with a little bit of work we have to do back here with drilling out the hole, and start to with the 14 by 1.5 tap. And yeah, it should be 14.15. Yeah. Go back here and take that bolt out, drill that out, retap it for the holder. TNs, everyone loves TNs. They ride good, but enough about that. Rotors, let's get it done. All right. Okay. Again, we're just gonna set this to the side. All right. Okay. So again, we have to tap that out because that thing's falling inside. Yeah. One bolt goes down here at the bottom, and that one goes there, like so. Bolts up tight. Caliper bolts up to this. Done deal. Okay. All right.
All right, gotta grind a little more just to make sure that the bolt goes in and seated correctly.
Jeez. All right. Looks like we got it on there. A little more grinding after that, but I'm glad the test fit is perfect. I can go ahead and just connect those lines now and put them in. And all right, for right now, we're going to go start the other side.
All right, well, here we are. So I'm waiting for the stenciling so I can either put Brembo here, or I was thinking about putting Mitsubishi, but I think I'm just gonna stick with the Brembo to keep it classic. But I prolonged this whole thing just because I didn't want to drill into my imported car. I waited so long to get this thing, but overall I'm pretty pleased with it. So yeah, I'm gonna do the rears next. That'll probably be on the next video next week. But yeah, I'm super happy with how this came out, and I couldn't be more jazzed about this whole thing, man. But yeah, this is good. All right, so as you see, it's all done, but we got our one dilemma already. Caliber hits the wheel, so it's time to get spacers. I had a 15 millimeter spacer laying around, um, and it still hits, so I'm probably gonna have to go with the 20. I got a good buddy of mine who is willing to send me a 20 millimeter spacers because I got these things laying around, and yeah, I'm not using those. You know, they're going to do this the proper way, and the proper way is have the mounted spacers versus those. So yeah, I don't like the way they're just playing with danger with those things. But all in all, yeah, so we're gonna wait. And I'm not worried about the rears right now, but I'm pretty sure the 15s will work in the rear. But yeah, so we're gonna wait for the 20 millimeter spacers for front, and I'll film those, install on those for the next video. All right, guys, I appreciate your time, and thanks for tuning in to the next one.